come through. I never have to even question, cause my God, he already knew. For he knows the thoughts he thinks toward us, thoughts of peace and not of evil, and he will bring us to an expected end. For in him I'm gonna win, for he's a strong. Let's hear it. I know he's a strong tower. I know. I want it all right. I want it all right. I want it right day by day. Can I say it again tonight? I never have to worry now if my God will come through. I never even have to question, cause my God, he already knew. But he knows the thoughts he thinks toward us, thoughts of peace and not of evil, cause he will bring me to an expected end. For in him I'm gonna win, for he's a strong. I know. Anybody know tonight? He's a strong tower. I know. I want it all right. I want it all right. I want it right. Day by day. Encourage your neighbor tonight. Say, through many changes, scars and shame, you've already come.